Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to filter date and time in Excel. First, ensure your data is in a table or has headers. Select any cell within your data range, then go to the Data tab and click the Filter button. This adds drop-down arrows to your column headers. Now, you're ready to explore the powerful filtering capabilities for your date and time columns. To apply a basic date filter, click the drop-down arrow on your date column. Excel automatically groups dates by year, month, and day. You can expand these groups to select individual dates or uncheck entire months or years. For example, you might want to see all entries from a particular quarter. This simple method helps you quickly narrow down your dataset. For more advanced filtering, click the drop-down and hover over Date Filters. Here, you'll find options like Tomorrow, Last Week, or This Year. You can also set custom filters, such as is after a certain date and is before another, to define a precise range. This allows for highly specific data analysis, helping you pinpoint exactly what you need. Once you've finished analyzing your filtered data, it's easy to clear the filters. Simply click the Clear button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab, or click the filter icon on the column header and choose Clear Filter. Remember to maintain consistent date and time formatting in your cells for Excel to recognize them correctly. This ensures your filters work perfectly every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.